when you're talking about headless commerce, I want to get like a really good understanding of it. So there's two pieces when I think of a website. There's the back office side of the platform. So with BigCommerce, that would be your product catalog, where you're setting the pricing, where you see sales orders. This is before they get into your full order management system of like NetSuite or something like that. And then you've got your front end piece, which is your page builder. You're drag and dropping this about us section and this FAQ section and all of those components. I think the way you just described it is that it's decoupling the back end of BigCommerce from that drag and drop page builder tool. But can you
Yeah.
verify or correct that?
Yeah, that's exactly it. So if you look at, I'm just going to go with Shopify because that's like the most common and they're kind of known for their page builder tool. You have this pretty extensible page builder tool, but you're confined to the monolithic architecture that Shopify lays forth for you. So what I say when I say monolith is I have my back end and I have my front end, and they are connected to one another. And there's really nothing I can do about that fact, right? I have my page builder exists within my Shopify backend. I go in, I make some customizations. Maybe if I'm lucky, I can pull it down and do a few more advanced customizations. But at the end of the day, I'm re-uploading it to that Shopify environment, and I'm kind of confined to that. So when we go headless, the first thing you typically see with headless is you take that front end and you put it somewhere else. So for a lot of the time, that's something like a platform like Vercel, where we can host either a Next.js app or a Svelte app or a Vue app, and we completely remove that front end from that back end. And that might seem like extra work or inconvenience, but you get a lot of advantages with that. You have all the source code to your front end, which means you can extend it in any way you want. You also get the speed that comes with the modern web framework that some of those WYSIWYG page builder tools aren't designed for. So that's exactly it. When we talk about headless, we're decoupling the front end of our website from that platform as a service, the BigCommerce, the Shopify, whatever it may be that you're using on the back end. And we're standing it up by itself, and we're using the API for that platform to handle those interactions.